Good morning, Year 6, and happy Tuesday. So this is what we've got for you today. And here is your morning challenge. So take 15 minutes to read the challenge thoroughly and then have a go at answering it and completing it in your book. And here are today's reading questions. Remember that the text Wolf Brother can be found as a separate PDF on the Red Brick Hayes website under the Year 6 Home Learning page. Okay guys, it is TT Rockstar time. So take 20 minutes to complete some games on TT Rockstars. If you've lost your login or can't log on for any reason, drop an email to the Year 6 at redbrickhayes.staffs.sch.uk email and I will sort it out for you from this end. Off you go. Today's maths lesson is on Khan Academy. If you have not yet signed up to Khan Academy, you need to go back to the video from the 8th of June and the instructions are there on how to sign up for free, and you don't even need an email address to do it. If you have signed up, log on to Khan Academy and enjoy today's lessons. Okay team, so spelling time it is. Let's check our memory from our spellings from yesterday. So can you spell the word offering? Can you spell the word vision? And can you spell the word misplaced? Let's check those answers. Well done if you got those right. Really tricky. Okay, so today's three spellings are distance, brilliant, and thoughtless. So take 15 minutes to practice these in any way you want. Get creative with it. Rainbow right, backwards right, robot right, cheerleading. You can make up a dance routine to them, anything to help you remember them, and then ask somebody to test you on them at the end. Good luck, and we'll have a try to remember them tomorrow. Okay guys, so we're going to be thinking about snack attack again in English today. So I'd recommend going onto YouTube and just re-watching the clip just to remind ourselves and refresh our memory of it. And then come back to this video and we'll move on. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at language choices and selecting the most appropriate words to describe your character at different points. So we're going to be using this kind of thermometer layout to help us do it. So first of all, we choose a word or something that we're going to be using as a synonym, like a middle of the road. So if we think about happy, sorry, that didn't explain that very well. So today I'm going to be using this to find different words for the word happy, okay, to try and upskill our word choices. Something that we've been thinking about a lot in Year 6, upskilling those words, finding more mature, more suitable lexical choices for our writing. So if I want to describe somebody's emotion as happy, I'd choose a synonym for in the middle. So another word for happy is jolly. Yeah, jolly's not ecstatic. Jolly's not, oh, I'm just a little bit happy. Jolly's middle of the road. Jolly, quite a happy person. Then what I'm going to do is think about a whole bunch more of synonyms and think, are they better than jolly? Like, would someone be happier than jolly or would someone be less happier than jolly? And that will then help me create this. So if I look at this whole thermometer of it, the words at the bottom down here still mean happy. They're still synonyms for happy, but they're weaker synonyms. So they're less powerful, if that makes sense. So if I said somebody was content and somebody was happy, if you're content, you're less happy than happy. Does that make sense? But you're still happy. You're all right. You're not sad. You're still happy, but you're not jolly or you're not ecstatic. And then, so one step above happy would be pleased, and then chuffed, bubbly, lively, and it goes on. And it's almost as if I took a character from here, their face would go from like, yeah, I'm happy, to like, I'm so happy. Okay, like that. So we want that kind of progression from the bottom to the top. I hope you're really enjoying my pictures today. And that's what we're going to try and do. So we can do this for more than just emotions. So emotions are really good to do this with, but this works for all different things. So if you go on to, well, as you go on to, not if, you're all going, don't. When you go into high school, this is a really good way to think about different words and to find really powerful words. So you can do it for shout as well. So if I was to say, you know, I want my character to shout in a story, they might just call out and say hello, or they might roar and go, how dare you? So it really makes a difference. Okay, and it makes our writing more suitable. It makes it more powerful because it'll be more concise and clear and more discerning, really, with choosing which words we want to use at which point to make it really impactful. So today we're going to do this for our main character in Snack Attack. I want you to think about the emotions. So most of the time, our character is really miffed off. She's quite angry. So at the top of our thermometer, you're going to have the word angry or annoyed or frustrated or whatever. And then you're going to think of a synonym for the middle word. And then you're going to think of loads more words that mean angry. So you might have ferocious, fierce, just a bit wound up. Oh, I'm a bit angry. I'm a little bit wound up. I'm getting a bit ticked off now. Okay. And you need to think which are the weaker ones, which is less angry and which is more angry. And I'd like you to plot a thermometer for that. If you want to do one for pleased as well, because some points in the story go up to near the positive point, so you can do that as well if that helps you. So take some time to go away and have a go at doing that now. You'll need a few. Don't go more than maybe, how many have we got in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, about 15 words is more than enough. 10, if you're struggling, is perfectly fine as well. So make yourself a couple of thermometers all about her emotions during the story, and then I'm going to show you on the next slide how we're going to use them. Okay, so thinking back to our mind map from yesterday, now what we're going to do, I'm just going to highlight them for you so you can see them, is we're going to plot these points on. So for every point in the story, I'd like you to think about what is she feeling at that point. So refer back to your thermometer lists and think, right, so at this point when she's content, she's going to be higher up, but she's not going to be ecstatic. Okay, so she's not angry, but she's happy, but she's not super happy. So she's maybe content. At this point, she's outraged. Okay, which is a lot more angry than just furious, for example. Okay, so what I'd like you to know is think about just one word per key event, possibly 2 if it's a bit of a mixed emotion, and then plot it onto your point, and we'll use that in our writing tomorrow. So enjoy, and I apologise if you've picked up my dog snoring on the microphone. He's just lay next to me snoring away, so I do apologise if there's been some funny noises this video. It is just Whiskey having a little sleep. So with that, Year 6, I'll speak to you tomorrow.